Hey, welcome back. I'm Tyler. Today on Wood Nerds, I'm going to show you how I replaced the original throat plate that came with my miter saw with a zero clearance throat plate. The reason why you would do something like this is the original throat plates have a large gap here. That leaves the wood or material you're cutting unsupported as the blade passes through it, and you'll get splintering and blowout, things like that. With a zero clearance throat plate, or insert as you may hear it called, the wood is completely supported, and as the blade goes through, you won't get any of the splittering. And as you see here, there's a really refined looking cut piece of wood. That's with the throat plate that I just made, and there's one with splinters, and that's using the original throat plate here. Another reason that you would do something like this is for looks. You want to spice up the look of your miter saw. I think it looks fantastic having a piece of wood on there. And then also for bragging rights. I see these guys on social media all the time. Hey, check out my sick throat plate. And I'm over here, mine's made of plastic, that sucks. As I said in the title, this isn't a hardwood. I would strongly recommend you use a hardwood or even MDF. I just used a piece of scrap pine that I was throwing away, but it looked really nice. There's just something about the character of this piece that I just couldn't let myself throw away. And it just so happened to be very close to the dimensions that I needed for my throat plate. This is actually a really easy project, and I don't have a lot to say during. I think the video is going to speak for itself, so I'm going to try one of those silent videos. I'll just let you guys enjoy the sounds of the shop. Enjoy. And that's it. She's all done. What else can I say? Nah, I'm just playing with you. You thought I was gonna leave out the money shot? Hit it.
Yeah, Dad, is this what a level's used for?
What? Oh, video's done. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I was saying, really easy. It probably took about 30 minutes total, a little bit longer than that for me because I had to film. But I don't know why it took so long to do this. I've been sanding the edges of my cuts for way too long now, and I'm happy to have it in there. I didn't show as part of the process because, again, I'm using pine. I wouldn't really condone using this for the throat plate. It may be fine over time, but it's definitely gonna get beat up somehow. But if you're interested, I used this Watco Danish Oil Dark Walnut all-in-one finish. This stuff's really awesome if you have no experience with it, and it really makes the wood look fantastic. So I'll link this down below if you guys are interested. I also treated it with a coat of this clear paste wax. This stuff is from Tray Wax. It's cool because it's clear. It's not like the other, Johnson or whatever that paste wax is. It's really, it leaves like a tint and it has a pretty awful smell. This stuff's a lot easier to handle. So also, if you're interested in this, I'll drop it down below. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I just really like those products. Hey, if you're still watching, I just want to thank you so much for your support. If you haven't already, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon if you're interested in getting notifications for videos in the future. I want to take a second and cheers everyone. First off, we hit 60,000 subscribers very recently. We're just over that at this point. So thank you everyone who subscribes and watches and participates in the comment section. I appreciate you guys. I have a couple cheers and toasts I want to hand out here for specific supporters that have donated to the Wood Nerds cause. And if you guys are interested in doing so, you can check out the information in the description below. Owen, first off, he says, beer on me, the vids are... Thanks, Owen, appreciate that, man. David, he also says, Wood Nerds fan, great video. Thank you, I appreciate that, David. Justin, great content, very helpful. Cheers. Cheers to you, brother. And I have 3 new Patreons since we've last spoke, and it's Miguel, Nicholas, and Venceslav. I think that's how you pronounce your name. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot that you'd like to support something that I'm doing. I'm just really a jackass with tools in his garage. So it really means a lot. With that being said, I'm trying to give you guys content for free. I don't charge, I don't have plans that I'm trying to sell. Everything that I do, I give you all the dimensions for if I can. If it's something like this, I mean, it's specific to your situation. I can't really offer you advice on that. I answer almost all the comments, so I try my best to be present and give you guys as much value as I can. If you're interested in those things and you want to support the channel, there's information in the description below. I'm also working on some t-shirts, stickers, magnets and stuff. Some pretty cool stuff, things that I would want, designs that I would want, not just some stupid shirt that just says Wood Nerds or whatever. But thank you guys so much for the support. It means the world. And the 60,000 subscribers, that also is from just starting with some silly videos in the garage to where we're at now. It's amazing. It's incredible where this channel has gotten to at this point. But cheers to the future. Thank you guys again for building with me, and I'll see you next time.